This is Dan with Pro Drain and Rooter Service, recording video at 320 Northeast Edison Street, Hillsboro, Oregon. Access the main sewer line from a 3-inch ABS roof vent. Lines out 85 feet to the city main. Line's ABS for most of the line. You got PVC right here for the city lateral. Transitioning back to ABS at 82 feet. ABS all the way back to the house. Transitions to cast iron. So this line's backed up multiple times and been jetted out multiple times. The blockage always seems to be 2 to 3 feet upstream from the cleanout that's in front of the house. The cleanout in front of the house is a one-way, but you can get a small jet hose going up the other way. But that cast iron has some heavy scale buildup, so I'm going to recommend one of two options. One would be to dig a hole in the yard, expose the main line, cut it open, have us come back and jet the cast iron, cut that scale out, and pull all that scale back into that pit and clean that thing out thoroughly. Or having someone come in and replace that section of cast iron under the house. Here we are, cast iron section. You see that. Nice smooth pipe there. 3-inch cast right here. Very constricted, very heavy scale. Like I said, we can stick a couple different nozzles in there and try to cut that scale out, rip that scale out of there. Replacing it would be number one option. Jetting it would be number two. Jetting it would probably be cheaper or less expensive. But let's see, we got right at 13 feet. To 19 feet, 6 feet. 6 feet of 3-inch cast that's going to need to be replaced or jetted out. Like I said, if we're going to jet it out, you have to dig up the pipe out in the yard. I went ahead and located it and marked it underneath the rose bush, just in front of the cleanout. It's about 2 feet 4 inches deep. I'm going to dig that up, cut the pipe, jet it, and rip that scale out of there. As you can see, the rest of the pipe is in excellent condition. Just that small section of cast iron is the issue. That cast iron can't handle low flow toilets when it has scale buildup like that. The water will pass through, but it'll leave a lot of debris behind. That debris will start building up and create what's called sludge buildup and cause problems in that pipe. So like I said, I'd recommend replacing it first, but if that's not an option due to price, then digging it up and jetting it out would be the next option.